Welcome to Driver Guide Studio. In this demonstration, I'll show you how easy it is to create a complete GPS-triggered audio tour, generate multilingual commentary, and publish it ready for use in both the Driver Guide and Passenger Guide apps. We'll start by logging into Driver Guide Studio. Simply enter your email address and password, then click Login. Once authenticated, you'll be taken to your dashboard, where you can manage existing tours or create a brand new one from scratch. Creating a new tour is straightforward. Select the tour type. A company tour is available to every driver within your organisation, making it ideal for regular excursions and shared routes. Alternatively, you can create a personal tour, allowing an individual driver to create and manage tours that are assigned specifically to them. Next, enter a name for the tour along with an optional description. Giving your tours clear, descriptive names makes them easy to identify and manage as your library grows. Although the tour description is optional, it's well worth completing. Passenger Guide displays this description to passengers before their tour begins, automatically translated into their selected language, giving them an introduction to the experience they're about to enjoy. Once you're happy with the details, simply click Save Tour, and you're ready to start building your GPS-triggered guided experience. With the tour created, we're ready to begin defining the route. The interactive map forms the heart of Driver Guide Studio, allowing you to build tours anywhere in the world. To maximise the available workspace, I'll collapse the tour details panel and open the stop editor. This gives us a larger map area to work with while providing quick access to all the tools needed to create and manage points of interest. We'll begin by navigating the map to the area where our tour will take place. We're now ready to start adding points of interest. Each point of interest represents a location where Driver Guide can automatically trigger commentary as the vehicle approaches. To create a new stop, simply click Add Stop. Then click anywhere on the map to place the location. The pin can be repositioned at any time, making it easy to fine-tune its exact position. Next, set the trigger radius. This defines how close the vehicle needs to be before the commentary is automatically played. Choosing the appropriate radius helps ensure passengers hear the commentary at exactly the right moment. The default is 15 meters. One of Driver Guide's most powerful features is direction. For many locations, it doesn't matter which way the vehicle is travelling, so selecting any direction allows the same commentary to be used in both directions. However, where different commentary is needed depending on the direction of travel, bearing window can be selected. This allows completely different descriptions and audio files to be assigned for each direction, ensuring passengers always hear commentary that's relevant to what they're actually seeing. For example, imagine driving around a lake. Travelling clockwise, passengers may be looking towards the mountains. On the return journey, those same passengers are looking across the lake. Bearing window automatically selects the appropriate commentary based on the direction of travel, creating a far more natural and engaging experience. Next, enter the stop description. This text forms the basis of the spoken commentary and can simply be copied and pasted from your existing tour script. Once the details are complete, click Save. Finally, upload the audio narration for this stop. Driver Guide is designed to preserve the personality of your tours. Whether you choose to record the commentary yourself or work with a professional voice artist, passengers hear a real human voice rather than computer-generated speech. Every guide has their own style, humour and way of telling a story. Driver Guide allows that personality to become part of every tour, delivering a consistent experience to every passenger. Before moving on, you can preview the audio to confirm everything sounds exactly as expected.
With England's largest lake, isn't actually quite on the lake.
One of Driver Guide's most powerful capabilities is its multilingual support. Expanding tours into multiple languages doesn't require creating separate versions of the same tour. Driver Guide keeps everything organised within a single project, making it easy to manage every language from one place. We'll begin by translating the tour description. Open the Translations tab, select the tour, then choose the language you'd like to generate. With a single click, Driver Guide translates the tour description, allowing Passenger Guide to introduce the tour to passengers in their own language before their journey even begins. Every translation remains fully editable, giving you complete control over the final wording before it's published. Now, let's translate one of our points of interest. Expand the stop and click Add Translation. Then simply select the required language from the list. Driver Guide automatically generates a translated version of the original description. You're free to review and edit the translated text, allowing you to refine the wording, adjust local terminology, or personalize the translation before generating the audio. Once you're happy with the content, click Process. Within a few moments, Driver Guide generates both the translated text and its accompanying narration, ready for passengers to enjoy in their chosen language. Before publishing the tour, you can preview the translated audio to confirm everything sounds exactly as expected.
ウィンダミア湖、近隣のウィンダミア村と区別するために、この名前で呼ばれることもあります。長さ、面積、水量においてイングランド最大の水。レイクディス ストリクト国立公園は1951年に設立され、イングランド
With the tour complete, the final step is to publish it. Publishing makes the tour available to the driver guide and passenger guide apps, allowing authorized drivers and passengers to download and experience it. Once a tour has been published, any future changes are handled automatically. Whether you update the tour title or description, edit existing stops, add new points of interest, remove locations, or revise the commentary, your changes are saved immediately and become available the next time the tour is started. There is no need to republish the tour, giving you the flexibility to keep your content up to date with minimal effort, allowing your drivers and passengers to experience the tour exactly how you want them to. Now, let's look at the Driver Guide app from the driver's perspective. After signing in, the driver is presented with a list of tours available to them. Depending on their permissions, this may include both company tours and personal tours. Selecting a tour displays its details and automatically downloads it to the device. Once downloaded, the tour is stored locally, allowing it to be used even in areas with limited or no mobile signal. Before the tour begins, the driver can generate a unique passenger guide access code. Passengers simply enter this code into the passenger guide app, giving them access to the correct tour without the need to search or configure anything themselves. Every passenger receives the same tour, but each is free to experience it in their own preferred language, making multilingual guided tours simple to deliver, regardless of the group's nationality. When everything is ready, simply tap the play button. From this point on, Driver Guide takes care of the rest. As the vehicle travels along the route, commentary is triggered automatically at each point of interest, allowing the driver to concentrate fully on driving while delivering a consistent, guided experience to every passenger.
It began life as 3 hamlets, which were called Berthwaite, Applethwaite, and Heaththwaite. Each of the hamlets, they ended with the word Thwaite, Thwaite. Thwaite is an Old Norse, an Old Viking word, and in Old Norse, the word Thwaite.
Now, let's look at the passenger experience. To begin, passengers simply enter the access code provided by their driver or tour operator. This code gives them access to the specific tour they've been invited to enjoy. Next, they select their preferred language. Passenger Guide supports multiple languages, allowing every passenger to experience the tour in the language they're most comfortable with. Once a language has been selected, the tour is downloaded to the device. This prepares all the commentary before the journey begins, reducing reliance on a mobile data connection during the tour. When everything is ready, simply tap the play button. As the vehicle travels along the route, Passenger Guide uses the device's GPS location to automatically play the correct commentary at each point of interest. Passengers can simply sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey, listening through their own headphones in the language they have chosen.
木々の間の空き地を意味します。バイキングは命名規則を非常に文字通りに解釈し、3つの集落の中で最も大きいバースウェイトは、白樺の木々の間の空き地を意味し、ビルは白樺の木を意味する古英語です。ちなみに、集落と村の違いは境界があるかどうかです。つまり、境界のない場所は集落、境界のある場所は村。